So that's really hard to predict, and we're neutral. So I'm going to say stay on the sidelines on this one until something clearer emerges, because right now it's very confusing.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's November 12th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. US markets eye relief as the House readies a vote to end the shutdown and fund the government through January 2026. Risk sentiment lifts equities with small caps outperforming and European bourses touching new highs. The dollar strengthens ahead of numerous Fed speakers, while sterling slips on UK political tensions and the yen trails. Global bonds soften on firmer risk appetite, gilts underperform, and crude prices ease after recent gains. Traders await key updates from the BOC, OPEC, and several central bank officials, including ECB's de Guindos and Fed's Paulson, Bostic, and Waller. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Starting with Aussie US dollar, we have bounced off overhead resistance twice. This was a breakout of this resistance area down here, stopped with a new resistance area up here, bounced off of it for a little while, then came back and bounced off of it again. And now we have looks like it's an upward bias, but as you can see, it's been declining for the last 3 bars here. So don't be surprised if this flips below the zero line. So my prediction is going to be to the downside here. I should go long. You got to put everything in context.
Yeah.
Just like writing a really good prompt for AI. If you don't have the context, it screws it all up. Yep, exactly.
I was looking back at what we did yesterday.
Yep, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, next one up, US Canadian dollar. So what we have going on here is we've been going sideways, really. The last tag is down here. That was also a compression, which means we're blowing past one of these little itty bitty candles. So bounced off of that, real nice. That was a nice little signal there. But right now, what's going on? We've got another compression to the downside here. Okay. But for the most part, we're still going sideways. If you look at the bias, it's went up, it's going up and down. So the bias is doing this. So that's really hard to predict. And we're neutral. So I'm going to say stand.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
On the sidelines on this one until something clearer emerges, because right now it's very confusing.
Yep.
All right, US Chief.
Looks just like its friend.
Yes, it does. So we had originally a tag here. We went wah, 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 wah. And now we are back to the same place we started, which is touching into support. To get a little more context, bias is down, but as you can see, it is starting to decay. So it's less and less pressure to the downside. My prediction here is a move to the upside sooner or later. Okay.
Yeah.
Last but not least, pound US dollar. Let's see what is going on here. The last thing that happened was a breakout of support down to a lower level of support. The bias is to the downside, but no, it's pretty clearly to the downside. And
Yeah, I
you
think
look at the histogram, it's pointing to the downside. So I'm going to say for this, probably something like this and that.
gotcha. Beware if they do decide to vote and quote unquote reopen the government.
Isn't that supposed to happen tonight? I think the vote's scheduled for tonight. If they do vote, it's going to go crazy. If they
Yeah.
decide to not vote, it's going to go crazy.
Keep those stop losses tight.
That's all I got.
All right, boss. Happy trading.